Hello everyone, my name is Maricon Sibayan. I accepted the challenge of Gina Laruan and I will be attending the Holy Anointing Oil 2025 event. Today, I want to challenge the three of my co-worker in faith, Emilica Osapin, Jael Elizaga, Bergie Pampusa, who will also be attending the event to make their own video and take part of this challenge. And finally, I also want to invite you who are watching me right now to join us on this very special event. Don't miss it. The Holy Anointing Oil 2025 is going to be the day of faith, blessing, and transformation at Capitol Theater, October 1, Wednesday, 11 a.m. is public holiday here in Macau.